Hey folks, Ben here with New London Farms. So just coming fall time, and as you can see, there are hundreds of birds flying around in here in this field, and they kind of stay around the cattle. We don't mind the birds, we like the birds, and the reason being, if I can see some more, there's hundreds of them. Let's see if I can get a better shot over here. There we go. And they'll fly around, and usually we don't see them flying on the cattle's backs, but you'll see them down in the grass and stuff. Anyway, we don't mind them. We like them around here. They do a great job with pest control, especially flies, and they'll kind of follow the herd around and you know, just give some benefit from just fly control. You know, flies spread disease and different things, and so we don't mind having the birds around. There's a lot of them. That's usually a good sign that that there's a lot of bug life around here, and that can substantiate and take care of the birds as well. So anyway, just thought I'd share. Lots of birds flying around. It's a really cool sight to see when you see hundreds of them just right around the cattle's feet. Anyway, be sure to like us on Facebook. Check us out at newlondonfarm.com.